Madam Senator. I just want to mention, no, to add what Sir Net mentioned earlier. So we did a 50% increase 2 nights ago during our last board meeting chaired by Secretary Herbosa. Last February 14 of this year, Mr. Chair, we also did a similar 30% increase almost across the board. So we did a 30%, Mr. Chair, Madam Senator, on February 14, and we did an additional on top of the 30, 50% 2 nights ago. So for a total, Madam Chair, of 80% increase.
Sa screen. O yan, yung kanina, pakibalik po. So gusto namin makita yan. Nung Pebrero, 30% increase for case rates. Tapos, nung Abril, ang ibig sabihin yan, sinakop na ang breast cancer. Tama ba yung aming intindi? At saka yung mga nakalista dyan?